Hello dear students. In previous class I did explained four exercise problems in relation and function chapters which have related with reflexive, symmetric and transitive properties. Now here in this video I am going to explaining one example, that is example 7. So before we explaining this example, I just recall the what is reflexive, what is symmetric and what is transitive. So first, what is reflexive? A relation R in the set A if every element in the set A have ordered pair A comma A must be there in the relation R, then R is said to be reflexive. Next, symmetric. A relation R in the set A if ordered pair AB belongs to R implies that PA belongs to R, then R is said to be symmetric relation. So what it means, every ordered pair in the relation R such as AB and reverse order of AB is what, BA, must be there in same relation R, then R is said to be symmetric. And next one, transitive. A relation R in the set A if ordered pair AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, that implies AC must be there in the same relation R, then R is said to be transitive relation. You may identify two ordered pair in defined relation such as AB and BC. What type of these two ordered pair? Second element in the first order have same first element in the second order excluding these point, and what are the remainings? AC. AC is also there in the relation R, then R is said to be transitive. Okay. Now see the example 7. Whether check whether the relation R in R. The first capital letter R is relation and second capital letter R is set. So is a real number. Is it a set of real number defined by capital letter R is equal to ordered pair such that A less than or equal to B cube is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. So in the given example the relation is defined in a real number. And what type of relation is defined as R is equal to ordered pair AB such that A less than or equal to B cube. And what they asking here in the question, whether the defined relation is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Now check one by one by using the property reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So let us solution of these problems. The first beginning three steps are going to same. Same it means a pattern and that is procedure same. Okay, the first step, the relation is defined on which set? The relation R is defined on real number, that is a set of real numbers. And second step, R is defined from where to where? The relation R is defined from real number to the real number. And third step, R, what is the defined relation? The defined relation is R is equal to ordered pair AB such that A less than or equal to B cube. After writing these three steps, then we'll go to check whether the defined relation is reflexive or symmetric or transitive. How to check that? First, reflexive. By the property of reflexive, every element in the set A have ordered pair A comma A or belongs to in the relation R, then R is said to be reflexive. Okay, do you know about that real number? The real number is set of all rational and irrational numbers. Okay, you may consider from left and right side of the numbers. So that is a real number. Okay, here suppose I take that 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is real number. Are you agree? Okay, 1 by 2 is real number. Have ordered pair 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Is it there in relation R? So now check, applying the definition A less than or equal to PQ. This is the most important. This definition is very important. A less than or equal to BQ. Apply here. So in place of A, that is 1 upon 2. In place of P, also put here 1 up by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 less than 1 by 2 whole cube. So value of 1 by 2 is 0.5 and value of 1 by 2 whole cube is 0.125, which is true. No, it is not true, because 0.5 is greater than 0.125, but here it is 0.5 less than 0.125, therefore it is not true. It means what? This means what? This definition, so defined relation which is not satisfied the condition of reflexive for all real numbers. Okay, so it is fails to condition for reflexive relation, so therefore R is not reflexive. And then we'll go to symmetric. So now 1 comma 2 is belongs to R. 1 and 2 are real number, no doubt it is belongs to R. And applying the definition, what is definition? A is less than or equal to B cube. Here apply here 1 less than 2 raised to 3. So 1 less than 8, which is right? Yes, exactly, it is right. 1 always it is less than 8. Okay, so by the definition of symmetric, every ordered pair in AB belongs to R. The reverse order, that is what, BA, must be there in the same relation, then R is said to be symmetric. So 1 comma 2 is belongs to R, and what about reverse order of 1 comma 2, that is 2 comma 1, is there in R or not? Now check it. So but a 2 is less than 1 cube, it means 1. 2 less than 1, is it true? No, is not true, and therefore 1 comma 2 is not belongs to R, and hence R is not symmetric relations. The defined relation which is not satisfied the condition of symmetric relation for all real numbers, in particular symmetric. Okay, then we'll go to transitive. Now we have take the two ordered pair such as A comma B and B comma C. So 3 comma 3 by 2. 3 comma 3 by 2 we will compare with A comma B. 3 and 3 by 2 are real numbers. So applying the definition, A less than or equal to B cube. Here 3 less than 3 by 2 whole cube. 3 by 2 whole cube value is 3.375. 3 less than 3.37 by 5. Yes, exactly, it is less than 3.375. Okay, then next order pair 3 by 2 comma 6 by 5. Okay, these are real numbers, no doubt it. And applying the definition, A less than or equal to B cube, and this order pair will compare with B comma C. So now here 3 by 2 less than 6 by 5 whole cube. So 3 by 2 value is 1.5, 6 by 5 whole cube value is 1.72. Are you agree? So is it right? Yes, exactly, it is true. Exactly, it is true. But we can check what about AC? AC is 3 comma 6 by 5. 3 comma 6 by 5. 3 comma 6 by 5 is there in relation R? Is there in defined relation R? Now check it. But 3 less than 6 by 5 whole cube, that implies 3 less than 6 by 5 whole cube value is 1.752. Is it true? 3 is less than 1.75 by 2. Is it true? Which is not true, because 3 always it is greater than 1.752 values. Therefore order pair 3 comma 5 by 6 is not belongs to R. It conclude that the defined relation which is not satisfied for the transitive property for all real value. So hence R is not transitive. In the given example, is not reflexive, is not symmetric, is not transitive.